Chit, you already know it's your boy Joe back at it again, man. CodingPhase.com. Your boy's backing out and did it again. All right, so there's the winner. The winner from yesterday's poll is Python. It seems like a lot of people want to get Python in here. All right, so we're definitely going to create a course for Python and probably create like a web app, something simple to get you started with. And then later on, we'll probably do some more advanced stuff, okay? But before that, you know what? Let's take a step back, because yesterday, when I was looking at the numbers, they were both back to back. So I said, you know what? Between object-oriented JavaScript and Python, I said, you know what? I'm going to come in, create the object-oriented JavaScript, and just get it out the way, right? I came in, created a couple of videos for it. I'm gonna finish a project for it too, because in reality, object-oriented programming for JavaScript is so easy. It's just about knowing prototypical inheritance, right? And understanding function constructors and the prototype, and that's it. That's pretty much it. Now, of course, you need to have like an example on how to use it, when to use it. So I was thinking about creating like a quick library, maybe like some type of library, like sort of like jQuery, sort of like underscore, so you can understand like how to use object-oriented programming with JavaScript and when to use it. You know, because not every single time that you're going to code something, you're going to be like, oh man, I'm going to start coding in OOP, right? You're not going to do that every single time. Because it's like, let's say you're doing a menu. You don't need to create prototypical inheritance for a freaking menu. Like, you don't need that at all, right? So we're going to create like a small library. And then from there, you're probably going to understand even more how to use object-oriented programming. All right, and then from there we're gonna jump to good old Python. And I don't know, man, that's what I'm saying, like I'm still in the air, because I feel a lot of the people want to get PHP, because this is the top three, right? Top number one is Python, number two is object-oriented programming with JavaScript, and then PHP is the third one. Okay, so it makes me think, I'm like, okay, in reality, I could go in there and knock out the PHP right away and get it done, right? I've been telling you guys that you guys should definitely learn PHP, right? Because it's just an easier way to get in the industry. Like, you could do WordPress, you could do Laravel, you could do Slim, you could do Twig, you could do, there's so many little frameworks for PHP and like jobs out there for PHP, that to me personally, it makes more sense to learn PHP than Python. But for whatever reason, people like Python more than PHP, and I understand them 100%. You know, PHP is not the best language. PHP is not the most fun language, but it's the language that could get you a job tomorrow. All right. So I don't know. I mean, I want you guys to let me know. If you haven't voted, go ahead and vote. I will say we need to break the tie between these threes. Like, I mean, they're pretty close to each other, between Python, object-oriented JavaScript, and PHP. I will say try to break the vote, right? Try to break the tie that there is. It's like they're pretty close to each other. Personally, I will say I think I will have to teach PHP first, because it just makes more sense. And, you know, so people, they listen to everybody and be like, oh, Python is great. And Python is great. Python is fun. But my only fear is you might be spending too much time on Python and then might lose a PHP opportunity. You know what I mean? Like, there's so many jobs out there for junior developers that, I don't know, it might seem like a missed opportunity. You know what I mean? So I don't know. I want to leave it to you guys. I want to leave it to you guys to let me know on the comments. Let me know on the likes. Let me know on on the messages, or let me know somewhere. I don't know. You know my email, codingphase@gmail.com. Send me a message. Let me know like which one you think. I know this girl what's her name? Tiffany Simmons, I think. Tiffany. She's constantly saying like, man, PHP, PHP. And I hear her, you know what I mean? Like most likely where she at, there's probably a million PHP jobs. So it makes sense for her to be like, hey, I want to learn PHP. You know what I mean? I want to get that down. So I definitely understand you. But I don't know, man. Everybody voted for Python. A lot of people want to learn Python. Everybody wants to jump on the Python wagon, and I definitely understand them. I mean, Python is easy. PHP is easy. Object-oriented programming with JavaScript is pretty easy. Like we already got through. Like this was cool about it, right? You know, for me, I feel like I go and look at other people's courses, right? There's people that come in and create a course that's about, I don't know, probably like 5, 6 hours to explain the same topics. And there's like 75% of the things that they're explaining to you, you don't need. You're pretty much wasting time, right? Instead of you going ahead and start coding and start seeing real life examples, you know, so a lot of times people just scheme it. You know, you could go in there and start scheming and be like, hey, I'm just going to read off the documentation from Mozilla and waste people time and be like, oh, this course is, you know, 14 hours, 32 hours of, you know, object-oriented programming. And it's like, did the person really need you to read the documentation for them? You know what I mean? So I try to stay away from that, you know, because I'm the type of person that is like, hey, if I'm coming here to learn something, I want to learn the things that I need to learn and the things that I'm going to use, not just read me everything that's under the sun. You know what I mean? So that's what I did here. Broke it down. I believe it's like each minute is about 15 to 20 minutes. So there's like an hour here. I'm going to do another project here, which is going to be like a library. Like I said, it could be like a jQuery library. It could be a Lodash. It could be something, right? So I don't know. I'm a I'm gonna sleep on it. I'm gonna think about it later on tonight to see exactly what type of library we should make. And it'll be cool because it'll show you how to make your own libraries. Like you guys might have ideas. You'll be like, oh man, I want to create the next jQuery. I want to create the next React. And it's like, you know, with this, you can actually do it, right? So, of course, it's like, there's the foundation of it. But later on, as you grow more as a developer, you can come up with your own libraries, your own frameworks. Like, you know, sky's the limit, you know, but you definitely need to understand this here, you know, object-oriented programming with JavaScript. So if you're a member of the website, go sign up for this. If you're not a member of the website, I'm going to create a coupon code. Matter of fact, let's create a coupon code. If you wanted to buy this right now, let's create a little coupon code right now for this. So let me see, new coupon code. This course only, let's say it's $15 if you wanted to buy it. Let's create a 50% off. You could get it for what? For, let me see, dollar amount. Let me see, percentage. Let's say right now, first day. Okay, first day. If you wanted to buy it right now, you get it for what? That's like $7.50. Get it for $7.50 right now. $7.50 after discount. Pretty much. All right. So I'm gonna create this coupon code, add it for you guys, for whoever wants to just buy it. You know, there's a lot of people who will be like, man, I just don't want to sign up for a subscription. That's fine. Here's a code for it. You know what I mean? For $7.50, you get the whole freaking thing. All right. You know, so here you go. Right now we have the basics, you know, 1 hour's worth, you know, 1 hour's worth of things that's showing up. And then from there, we're adding a whole bunch of projects, like small little libraries to show you how to really use this. If you want to be part of this community, go ahead, guys, go sign up. If not, it's fine. You can just pretty much buy it right now for $7.50. All right, guys. Now, the next thing, like I said, we jump into Python, we jump into PHP this week. The Node.js course is done. I'm uploading the videos right now. So that's done. That's completely done. So there's like so much, man. Like, I'll see you guys later, man. Stay up, man. First day is the coupon code for this. All right. I'll see you guys later. Bow.